Alright, old man, what do you want to talk to me about? Wait, what happened to your jacket?
It's 90 degrees out here, and it's really hot, so... Oh, and what happened to your shirt?
I changed it.
A lot of consistencies in this episode, folks.
Hey. Hey.
Anyways, today, I'm gonna show you how to be a hero so you don't screw up and die. Behold. This shield was used by Link when he tried to defeat Ganon. And it was also the time when he died instantly. But now, it's coming to you. Because you are the new hero.
Sounds like something I made in preschool.
It is. Some of the stuff from the other world came into this world. And so there's a bunch of crazy stuff going on here.
Wait, I have to use this to defeat Ganon?
Yes.
This is made out of cardboard.
It's made from Cardboardavia.
You came up with that on the spot.
Yes.
Hey, when can I start?
You can't! Because you're not ready yet!
I'm killed with cobweb. I think I'm beating an old man.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm just fine. Okay, old man, what do you want me to do next?
I need you to climb that.
Why?
Because Link could climb mountains, and we need you to do the same thing.
Okay, fine. Play the montage music.
Come on. You suck!
I'm a fender bender. Okay, old man, what are we doing up here?
We're just gonna enjoy the beautiful view. Also, I'm getting pizza.
Wait, what? Wait, you have phones in this universe?
Well, I found it when we first met.
Wait, that's my phone. Give it.
No!
It's mine. Give it. Oh no. No, man. I think run from
What is it?
Never trust old man.